Alright, so today I'm going to a car event, so I want to clean up the Century. It got a bit dusty yesterday. I had it out and it was down like some dirt roads. You can see a bit of the dust that's kind of settled on the car. So I'm just going to rinse that off. I'm going to vacuum out the inside a bit and then we'll start heading to that car show. The Century's all cleaned up. I'm gonna go jump in a shower and I will see you guys after I get out.
6.5 hours later.
Elite Music.
Alright, got here just in time because all the cars started pulling up. Corvettes, got a Lamborghini, some NSXs, like Nissans, the Subarus, stuff like that. Nice Audi coming, the green one. Got Integras, got Acuras, looks like a TSX, I think. But yeah, a bunch of nice cars. Little Fiesta ST. We'll go around and look at more of them here in just a minute. But we got the tent set up with the Cooper and the Century right here. And yeah, check out some cool cars that are coming through. Alright, so got a whole row of Integras over here. And then it gets really classy with the NSXs, which I love, but I wish I could afford one. But still, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous cars. We got 3 of them out here today, so far. Maybe more will show up here in a little bit. A couple of these gorgeous old BMWs, I love them. Chargers, more Chargers, more Chargers. Oh, GTI, Mazda 3 or Mazda Speed 3? I think it's a Speed 3, not mistaken. Oh yeah, it's a Speed 3. So I'm going to try and talk over the music the best I can, but there's a lot of cool cars out here. Velosters. There's the AutoZam AZ1, which has been on the channel before. More Velosters. And over here you got the NSXs, you got the Integras, which I pointed out earlier. But there's a lot of cool cars. There's more down that way. I'm parked down there. I got the big black tent up. So yeah, a lot of cool cars out here. If you get a chance, definitely make it out. Pull Up Nation is the team that sets this up, and the main guy's got that red car right there, which has been featured on the channel before. But yeah, it's always a cool time out here. They did the right-hand drive event I did not too long ago too, with the Century. But yeah, always a good turnout on these things. Always a bunch of cool cars. And my buddy got this for me. It is a tiny little Matchbox car of the Century. I thought that was pretty awesome. So thank you, Chris, who got that for me. Alright, starting to clear out of this place. There goes the Infiniti that was parked next to me for a bit there. Those things are pretty nice. But yeah, it's wrapping up. I didn't win anything at the auction, unfortunately. But yeah, definitely check out Pull Up Nation, especially if you're down here in the Charleston area. They put on some good shows. I know he does one like about once a month. So, oh, Camaro. Yeah, pretty cool show. Come out to. Got a bunch of different cars. I always love variety in these car shows. So, it's pretty awesome. See, like, there was a Ferrari over here a little bit ago. That truck. The Porsche that was sitting next to us too. Like, there's a bunch of cool cars. So again, if you're ever down here in the Charleston area, check out Pull Up Nation. They're on Facebook, I think Instagram too, and all that kind of good stuff. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try and answer them as soon as I can, and I'll see y'all in the next one.